couple of days ago I arrived by train in Oulu in northwest Finland, and what we're going to do is explore what makes living in this city unique compared to other countries that maybe aren't quite as cold as Finland. So let's head to the city centre and see you over there. One thing I've noticed about Oulu is the number of shopping centres there are. There's at least 3 quite large indoor shopping malls, and I think it's due to the cold weather. The Finns want somewhere warm to stay. There's places to hang out, coffee shops on the ground floor, and loads of restaurants. As you can see, Oulu has a nice mix of modern buildings, but also these traditional wooden cabins, which I think look really quaint. But right now we're actually next to the Baltic Sea, and you can see how still it is over here. And out here we have a lot of different islands to explore. And we're going to head over across the bridge and check out the forest over there. One unique thing I found in Finland is these, I don't know what the word would be in English, but they're kind of like car boot sales, but inside. And you can get a load of good stuff in there. Clothes, books, kids' toys, even cassettes I found. And the way it works, the guy told me, was that people rent an individual stand, and then, you know, they go and put their old stuff there and try to sell it. I think it's a really good way of reusing old stuff rather than throwing it out. I approve. We're taking a hike out of the centre of Oulu and going to go into one of the suburbs near the river, just to see what it's like in a normal kind of suburb where people live outside the centre. So let's check it out. Yeah, so this area is more modern functional apartment blocks. Not particularly pretty compared to the wooden houses. Maybe we'll see some of those later again. But you do have parks, tennis courts. It's just so quiet around here. It's really nice. I don't know what everyone's doing. Maybe they're inside working remotely, or they're elsewhere at work. But yeah, I only walked past a couple of people. I mean, it is quite cold. It's just not the day to be frolicking outside, I suppose. Okay, so now we're going from the apartment blocks to single family homes, I think is the official term. This is Oulujoki in Finnish. Well, that just means Oulu River, and yeah, it flows along here into the Bay of Bothnia, which is part of the Baltic Sea. After all that walking, I'm starting to feel a bit peckish, so let's head away from the river. And I want to show you something that I don't see much outside of Finland, to do with how they serve food. I'm happy. I found more wooden buildings. What seems to be really popular in Finland is the lunchtime buffet. Not just any old greasy buffet, but really healthy salad buffet seems to be available in a lot of restaurants. This one here is my favourite, where you can get healthy salad buffet with soup and unlimited tea or coffee for €13.90. So let's go and check it out. Obviously it's been snowing, everything's looking very pretty. The trees are white slightly. Tonight is going to be my last night in Oulu, and I'm very lucky that it's a special light festival. So the next thing you're going to see is different light installations around the town. So let's go to that now. This light festival is a lot better than I was expecting. I mean, it is -5 degrees. There is snow on the ground, but really good atmosphere with the whole town out, it seems. And I'm just following the crowd around all these different light installations. So, yeah, let's see what else we can see.
Asun edelleen paikassa, missä olen taktisesti betonin ja metsän välissä.
That's all I've got for you. I hope you've enjoyed exploring Oulu as much as I have. I'll see you in the next one.